Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So I made some sun-dried tomato artichoke spread and some tuna spread. So here is the process of making it. They are quite tasty, actually. Okay, so here is how I do it. I use my little mini blender and put in artichoke, put in sun-dried tomato, put in homemade pickle and caper. These four things, I blend them and do not need to be too long time. It depends on your own preference. I still want to have some texture of it, some chunky part of it. So I blended something like 1 or 2 minutes and then take it out and combine with my homemade yogurt, drained homemade yogurt. Because it's drained, it's a little bit like cream cheese, but a little bit more sour than cream cheese. And mayonnaise, I actually used ranch sauce, ranch dressing, and ketchup, salt, pepper, and use a spoon to blend them together. And that's it. When you serve, you can put some olive oil and fresh grind pepper, and it is your own choice. If you like it a little bit more spicy, put some chili pepper. I actually used some spicy salt, spice salt, so it has a kick in it. And that is the sun-dried tomato and artichoke spread. At the same time, if you put some tuna, put some salmon, canned tuna, canned salmon, it will be a salmon spread or a tuna spread. And it with some other things, it actually reduce a little bit of the spice and sharpness of it. It becomes more neutralized and more smooth. I like them both. Enjoy.